Hello there, and thank you for clicking on my video that is going to provide instruction on how to run the Wen 4800W dual fuel inverter generator. First, remove the box over the generator and the white LP fuel tank. And here's the generator itself. First thing you want to do is remove this rubber protection cover for the fuel supply to the generator. Then on the control panel of the generator at the bottom left, you will see a rubber protector for that fitting. Pull it off. Now take the hose from the fuel tank and simply push it into the fitting on the generator, and you will see this click in, or click out rather. What it's doing is locking some little ball bearings around the fitting. And then you go around to the side. For some reason the recording stopped, so I'm going to go ahead and show you this again. Just below the pull start cord or handle, you want to turn this to run. Move around to the front, make sure that's nice and tight. That this is counterclockwise or open. Go down to the start button, give it a press. When I initially started it earlier, I noticed that this was blinking, and apparently that is a self-test, just testing the CO detector circuitry. Anyway, I do have this in a garage right now, but I do have the garage door up. Anyway, I went ahead and was working outside just for about 15 minutes or so, and it did actually detect that there was carbon monoxide, and it shut the unit off. So it does have a nice safety feature protecting you from carbon monoxide poisoning. Okay, that's my video. Have a good one.